It has been slightly raining, so please see the condition, the paint quality, the fit and finish logo Mercedes. This is the last model of the twin headlight Mercedes system. Paint quality after the polish, everything is in immaculate condition. You can watch, not a single scratch can be found. It has been maintained well by me, and there is no electrical problem at all. So this is for now. Bye bye. Hi friends, this is my 11 years old E-Class that I have purchased. This is the quality of interiors till now after 11 years. It is all put together and space is ample. This is a sunroof. That time it was small, and I am now cranking on the engine. You will listen how it starts. Absolutely no problem. Absolutely no problem. Recently there is a problem. This is the info system during that time. 2-zone climate control and lots of information display about my mileage and the drives, etc. So it's all about navigation, audio, everything. So 11 years ago Mercedes was providing this kind of services and this kind of electronics equipments, including tire pressure monitoring, assist plus, all these things. I have just given it for service and it is just returned back from there. Earlier I have been facing a problem which I am telling you now. There is a problem with ECU and something like that, and the total cost of repair I am showing you. Just bear with me. This is a tax invoice of my repair cost of the Mercedes, which had some problem with the ECU and the fuel injector, fuel distribution and pumping system. It has been driven only, you can see it. It has been driven only 28,573 kilometers in last 11 years. So very less driven, and because of that less driven, it has last on probably 22nd or 23rd of February it has developed some problem. Engine was not cracking up, so Mercedes took 12 to 13 days to repair it, parts from Germany, and the repair bill is, you can see, total amount is for repairing is 5,10,397. They have earlier given me estimate of 6,60,000 around. So after heavy discount and honorary discount and long-term relationship status, because all the servicing etc. I have always been done with the same authorized workshop only. Not a single screw has been removed or fixed from outside. So by continuing the long-term relationship they have given me and negotiated with that, after the repairing has been done, it is completely working. And in the meantime, ownership experience of 11 years, there are 2-3 problems. There are 1 or 2 recalls, and even last year's service they have changed certain parts to maintain long-term relationship on car seat basis, which they have charged nothing. So I have Volvo also, I have Skoda, I have Honda, I have Tatas and Kia, everything. But the ownership and the car seat experience what Mercedes is providing to their customer is something extraordinary. No doubt it has been very much expensive to maintain. Normal servicing will cost you around 65 to 72,000 if you opt for interior cleaning and polishing with a negotiation. And if there is major breakdown, this is the first major breakdown in 11 years, and last 1 year I have hardly driven the vehicle this much, only 345 kilometer, and because of very less use that and the low quality of fuel, that fuel injector and distributor system has been choked, that has been replaced, and including servicing it has been cost me around 5,10,000. The invoice I have already been shown to you. Other than that, there is not a single problem with the car, not even a single switch problem. Everything is top notch. Even the gear levers can long last. AC, everything, not a single thing. Only another thing is two speaker of my cars have been distorted.
And in future,
You can heard.
The Popcorn Show with Animesh.
There is some distortion in the noise.
Only to
There is some distortion in the noise in the speaker. Other than that, it is in immaculate condition. After they charge me this 5,10,000, they have complimentary offer me a 1 year free AMC also. So I must say that, because luxury cars are always been very much expenses to maintain. So customer service and supply of parts, if you order and pay them, then you are in regular servicing. For the luxury van, Mercedes is doing great job. That is my opinion.